All right, let's get into the dermaplaning. So I've already cleansed. I used the CeraVe hydrating cleanser and the blemish control cleanser to cleanse my skin, and then after cleansing, I'm going to go in with the Garnier micellar cleansing water, just to remove any dirt that will still be on my face. So I'm just going in with a cotton pad. Keep it going, like bum, bum, bum. Throw it back, then rotate. As you guys can see, like I still have some residue of dirt on my face. I'm just going to go in with another cotton pad again and just, you know, cleanse one more time with the micellar cleansing water. It looks much better now. I'm just going to let this, you know, dry on my face, and then I will go in with a serum. So I'll be going in with the Bioma brightening serum. So for this video, I will be using the serum before going in with the razor to shave my face. Most people like to shave their face dry. You can just, you know, go with the flow and do whatever it is you're comfortable with. But I like to use the serum before going in with the razor to shave my face. So I will be applying the serum like so. So now we have applied the serum, and then I'll be going in with a razor to shave my face. So for this video, this is the razor I will be going in with. So I got this in a pack. Comes like this in a pack. You can get this from any local store close to you. So to start shaving your face, what I'm going to do is I'm going to lift with my other hand. I'm going to lift my face like this, and then you want to hold your razor in a 45-degree angle, and then you want to start shaving downwards. So I just removed some of the hairs from the razor, and this is what it looks like. I'm going to quickly shave off the rest of my face, and then I'll also show you guys what it looks like. When I go with confidence, when I go with roll our hips and take a sip on it, take a trip on it. When I go, you can go slow. Wind it up all night, baby, take your time. Let me know what I want. When you turn me around, what I want. When the neighbors yell turn down, we keep it going, like bum, bum, bum. Throw it back, then rotation. Figure it. So I've gone in with a cotton pad to remove the hairs I have on the razor, and this is the hair that came out from my face. Okay, so I'm just going to go in with the micellar water again with a cotton pad, just to remove some hairs that might still be lying around somewhere on my face. All right, so this is what the skin is looking like at the moment. I've gone ahead to moisturize. You can use any moisturizer of your choice. Also don't forget to use a sunscreen as well, because your SPF is very important. Yeah, so this is the end of today's video. Let me know if you'll be trying out the dermaplaning at home. You can leave a comment in the comment section, and also don't forget to give a thumbs up if you enjoyed watching the video as well, and subscribe. All right, hit that subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.